When you're riding hard at mouth and you don't know where to go, sometimes you're losing your direction. You're flying high and you're falling low. You rise again to burn down slow. Never know which way is right or wrong. And sometimes you take the road to heaven, but you never see an angel flying low. Sometimes you take the road on straight down to hell, while the devil is dealing with your soul. Whenever you reach the end of a dusty road, remember what a wise man told. Man, you're standing down a crossroad. You